무용고자 시신의 화장을 준비하는 남자와 그를 취재하는 여자.
Do you really think people care about this kind of stuff?
Unusual jobs for people in towns.
이때 시신들이 줄줄이 일어섭니다.
This ain't my fault.
When is it ever, Dad?
이 놀라운 소식은 열심히 싸우고 있던 보안관 부녀에게 전해지는데요.
What the hell is going on?
The apocalypse start or something? What's going on?
I'll get the Seeleys to watch Cooper.
세찬비를 뚫고 도착한 곳에는 더 많은 사람들이 되살아나 있었죠.
Ma'am, I want my mommy.
It's been 35 days since Revival Day.
이날이요, 격리되었던 와서 주민들은 한 달이 지나고서야 자유를 얻습니다.
However, authorities emphasize that the quarantine remains in effect while investigations into the revival event continue.
오랜만에 일탈을 즐기던 주인공 데이나.
Is that your phone?
It's Lester. He's found a dead horse.
죽은 말을 확인해보고 오라는 갑작스러운 지시를 받게 되죠.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. No worries.
Hold out. Don't forget this.
Okay.
I'll call you sometime.
Okay.
Get your number next time.
언뜻 별거 아닌 것 같은 지시였지만
What you think? In my best-selling book, A Strong Century.
Lester. Did you drive your truck here?
Yeah, I pulled it around the bend.
현장에는 산 짐승의 지시라기에는 몇 가지 이상한 점이 있었고 그녀는 이 기묘한 것들을 잘 보관해둡니다. 한편 모두 일상으로 돌아간 뒤에도 사람들은 부활자들을 꺼립니다.
I don't think I look like that. I'm glad you're back.
부활을 기대하는 사람도 있었지만
If he passed before the 4th, I don't save one for you. Are we sure? Maybe he's gonna come back later.
보안관 서장 웨이는 부활자들 덕분에 잔뜩 예민해진 상태였습니다.
It's my job to keep these people, our people, safe. You'd know.
게다가 이들을 관리하기 위해 파견을 나온 질병통제예방센터의 라민 박사.
This is Officer Dana Cypress.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Okay, let's wrap it up.
그는 부활자들을 경계하는 웨인과 달리 그들이 무해하다는 의견을 가지고 있었죠.
The date appear normal. All I'm saying is, sir, is I need the appropriate time, vast potential of this discovery.
That'll be all for now. Thank you. Did you sleep with him?
What?
Anyway, moving on. Did you take care of the horse?
Figuring out where it came from.
사실 데이나는 줄곧 이곳을 떠나고 싶어 했습니다.
Sorry, but we can't keep holding the position. Sorry, Dana.
Helen.
하지만 부활 사건 때문에 이곳에 묶여 죽은 말 사체나 들여다보고 있게 된 건데요.
Howdy ho, Officer Cypress.
Jesus.
뜬금없이 CDC에게 말 사체를 빼앗기게 됩니다.
I lost it with some ET shit. You might want to check in with them if you have the time.
Nothing but time.
대신 더 기묘한 몇 가지를 알게 되죠.
Dana?
Why would you take my horse?
That's evidence. Thank you. We found an anomaly inside the horse. We found teeth.
Mine were just in the snow.
There's more.
Eh? Keep them in this evidence bag.
말 사체에서 발견된 치아가 눈밭에서 찾은 것과 같은 사람의 것이라는 것.
Okay, if I show you something, keep it between us, right? Reviver tissue, okay?
그리고 흉터 없이 재생하는 조직으로 이루어졌다는 것.
Okay, now this only works post-mortem, anything pre-existing at the time of death.
So
but-
you're saying that the teeth healed?
Yes.
데이나는 누군가 부활자를 감추기 위해 말 사체를 이용했다는 결론에 도달하죠.
There were tracks at the scene, but they weren't from Lester's truck. Someone left the horse in the woods, knowing animals would get to it and cover up what really happened. To bite through a horse.
미등록 부활자로 추정되는 범인은 부활 사건을 파헤치는 열쇠처럼 보였는데요.
If that's true, I need to see it. Oh, Dana, please. This is a railway spike. It's a part of the animal trap that caught your coyote out there.
No, it's probably from a really old one. Got a train to catch.
Okay.
데이나는 먼저 전과가 있는 부활자를 추적합니다.
The quarantine zone is like 45,000 people and woke up and not even know they're a reviver.
코요테 덫에 사용된 오래된 선로가 가까운 농장.
Hello, Miles Miller.
이곳에서 그녀를 미친 듯이 경계하는 부활자를 붙잡았지만
Who's out here with you?
You talk about like ain't nobody out here but me. Jeez. I'm not him. Y'all just leave me the hell alone, huh?
그냥 도망친 전과자일 뿐 사건과는 무관해 보였죠.
They look like they've been grown back to you, huh? See, I saw a truck. I heard a truck. A dually with the four wheels on it and all that. But wait, you're looking for a horse? I'm gonna get you a horse seal. Whatever horse shit you're into.
Well, you're under arrest.
God damn it!
Dad.
My guy.
Papa!
다음날 추가 조사를 위해 근처 농장으로 향한 데이나. 한겨울 노숙 중인 동생 M을 발견합니다.
M.
Dana?
What the hell are you doing here?
I dozed off.
You dozed off?
부활 사건이 있었던 몇 주 동안 잠적했던 그녀.
Dad's been freaking out. Did something happen? Maybe with a guy?
Dana, please, it's... Dad?
Martha?
I just...
You can't be out running wild in your condition.
It's nothing. I just wanted to call to let you know I was alright and gotta go.
Well,
연인 관계였던 교수에게 집착하고 있었지만
I'm in a rush and really don't have time. Really, you must be on my way.
No.
Fine. Tonight, our spot.
This is Professor Weimer. Leave a message.
정작 외면당하는 중이었죠.
Sorry.
오랜만에 못다한 이야기를 나누던 자매.
Mom got us all a whole box of these and then we got sick.
Oh, that was the first time I caught Derek cheating on me. I swore I was leaving, lost off. 10 years later, still here.
You always said you would stay in Myrtle Beach.
Listen, I know we haven't been as close lately, and after all this craziness blows over and they live, let's go on an adventure together.
Like, right now.
Yeah, why not?
길가에 세워진 수상한 트럭을 발견합니다. 같은 시각 외인에게는 옆집 노인에 대한 신고가 들어왔지만
Neighbors heard yelling, and it seems like she's not answering the door or her phone. But
They're gonna burn Grandpa.
Could use them.
You hang tight. Wait here. I'll be right back.
Mrs. Shaw. We've received a few phone calls about a disturbance here, loud.
Oh, no.
If you don't mind, I insist.
Please. We're working it out.
We?
Oh, good Christ.
Just like the others. Get up! Show him!
조금 안타까울 뿐 큰일은 없었습니다.
Is that right?
I'm gonna need the coroner at the Shaw house.
Sheriff, are you there?
손자 쿠퍼가 잠시 사라졌지만
Hello?
You looking for these?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I got lost.
Why don't you run along this way and be found?
낯선 남자의 도움으로 금세 돌아왔죠.
Papa!
Dude, I told you to stay put.
There's something out there.
Morning there, officer.
하지만 트럭 주인 부부는 대놓고 수상했는데요.
Yeah.
Just the animals knocking about us all.
Officer.
Officer.
Officer. It's for her own safety.
Stay back.
창고에는 엄청나게 많은 치아와 이가 끊임없이 자라는 노인이 있었습니다.
I need backup at Dittman's farm.
No, don't go near it.
그녀는 눈에 보이는 모두를 공격하는데요. 총을 맞고도 멀쩡했던 그녀를 쓰러뜨린 것. M이었습니다.
Don't tell Dad.
부활 사건이 터진 후 낯선 장소에서 깨어났던 M. 기억을 잃은 채 기숙사에 틀어박혔지만
Yeah, she's here.
Dude, what's up with you?
에게 반응이 없었던 것과
Oh my god, get high.
금세 아무는 피부를 보고 자신이 되살아났다는 걸 깨달았습니다.
Are we safe?
이 사실을 안 데이나는 충격에 빠졌지만
What happened? Dana, you there? Listen, you didn't do this. I did. Dana, come in. Okay, wait.
일단은 눈앞의 상황을 덮기에 바빴지요.
You ran inside, but everything was already done. She went crazy. She killed her. She tried. It's all right. It's all right.
Holy smokes.
She was a hell of a lot more than just some old woman.
We're gonna keep the press out of this as much as we can.
This all needs to die with her.
자신의 상태를 들킬까 두려워하던 M은 공황 발작을 일으켰고
Fit as a fiddle. Just a little panic attack.
그 덕에 온 식구와 재회합니다.
What happened to you?
Okay, I'm still.
Why didn't you come to me? I mean, we can't just.
Everything I can remember. Can we just please get out of here?
Let me look at you. Are you sure? They said they brought you in an ambulance.
Fine. Can we talk
What
about?
were you thinking anyway?
Let me explain.
She's not like us. You know
Sir,
that.
ma'am, if you could.
You know?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's go.
하지만 혼자만의 시간이 필요하다며
None of it. I'm done.
Martha,
No,
honey.
I will figure it out on my own.
가버리죠. 이때 부검을 진행하던 라민.
Aggressive tendencies or abnormalities. So what is different?
Tell me what happened.
Sheriff, we need to talk.
말할 것이 있다며 웨인을 찾아왔는데요.
Be here.
I just have 1 minute.
Okay, well, let us.
You want to tell me what actually happened in that barn?
이번에야말로 죽은 줄 알았던 노인이
Where's the guard?
사라져 버립니다. 그녀의 탈출 덕분에 조작된 사건의 진실을 캐겠다며 찾아온 기자도 돌려보낼 수 있었는데요.
What are you doing here? Where's Cooper?
We'll be safe.
되살아난 노인은 신생아 씨를 습격해 아기를 납치해 사라집니다.
Where did she go? Let's spread out.
다행히 아기는 발견되었지만
Put your hands! The hell are you doing here, Blaine?
노인 대신 쿠퍼가 숲에서 만났던 블레인이란 남자의 품에 안겨 있었죠.
And I have given you permission to tread on. The gates of hell have opened.
You're worried about panic.
이 일로 부활자들을 격리해야 한다고 주장했지만
This was different. So, you know,
You take what little resources you do have and you find her.
시장은 이번에도 거부합니다.
I feel like I'm losing control.
한참을 끙끙대던 웨이는
They trust you and do what you think is right.
Evening, Governor. You know, you always told me you owed me one.
한편 동생의 방을 찾아간 데이나. 정신 사나운 방과 엄청난 양의 약물을 발견합니다. 동생의 상태는 생각보다 더 심각했고
What the hell? I thought you were doing better.
Yeah.
Are you still on them?
No. When I woke up, it stopped working. So I'm clean.
Here, how did you even get all this?
Shady pain clinic.
God,
I went to the bridge on Mom's birthday because a lot and I got really anxious. So yes, I got high and then I woke up in Bow Falls. Yeah, it was a 9 or a car headlight or something.
그녀는 반드시 M이 사망한 이유를 알아내기로 합니다.
Did you hurt yourself?
No, I couldn't.
Shit. You can't say anything. Just come to the station with me, okay? We'll go to the bridge. We'll go to where you woke up.
Yeah, let's go get this over with.
Okay. I'll be quick.
그러나 언니가 잠시 자리를 비운 사이
Can you tell me about these?
You ain't getting no G of those or no pain clinic. Stealing or dealing. Not doing your job for you.
차를 훔쳐 도망친 M.
Who's this the little hybrid out front?
That's Dr. Remy.
그녀를 잡으러 가는 길.
Be searching for Arlene instead of your car.
데이나는 라민에게 동생의 이야기를 들려주죠.
She never got to mess around? Hell, I don't think she's ever even had a boyfriend.
M이 만나러 간 사람은 전남친이 되어버린 유부남 교수.
Suspect is still on the loose.
Aaron.
We both agreed to end this. You know that.
그녀는 교수에게 부활의 날 있었던 일을 듣길 바랬지만
First, that's not mine.
그는 12월 18일 이후 그녀를 차단했다며 아는 게 없다고 답했습니다.
Perhaps instead of you throwing up a ring, maybe you thought you saw something and found a ring that...
I don't remember sending any of those texts or calls. I was really emotional and I thought you were going to be the one to tell me what happened to me.
Wait, did you? You died. Holy shit. These were scary and I knew you were struggling, but I had no idea you took this so hard.
I've heard this before. Do me a favor and don't tell anyone about me, okay?
Em, I'm so sorry.
엄마의 생신이기도 했던 2년 전의 12월 18일.
It's an accident.
사고를 당했던 자매.
This is what happens when we live all like there's nothing wrong with Zong. God chose him to die.
원래도 희귀질환 때문에 고통받던 M은 사고 이후 더 심한 방황에 빠졌는데요.
She has a disease where her bones break easily.
Debilitating. So I understand when you say a ton of pent-up frustration and always be
That all you got?
이날도 충동적으로 싸움을 걸었던 그녀는
how she copes to get through or to push through.
Get out of the way.
로디라는 청년의 도움으로 가게를 빠져나옵니다.
Broke my damn nose.
Nella.
그 또한 부활자였고
You're a reviver.
I prefer musician first, but it's not so bad.
집으로 돌아가고 싶지 않았던 M은
Of reasons right now. Do you think you could?
Yeah.
그와 함께 잠적해버립니다.
Thank you so much for the ride. Could do it again sometime.
이때 M의 친구인 메들린이 약 관련 혐의로 기소되었다는 걸 발견한 데이나.
You get her this?
Me?
Yeah.
그녀가 M이 가지고 있던 약의 출처라고 생각하며 자백을 유도하는데요.
I just left her some pot to help with the pain. And maybe Molly, I don't know.
하지만 그녀는
Explain it to me. What did you do?
No, it's what she did.
약의 출처보다 더 큰 진실을 알고 있었죠.
I know who killed him. If she had just followed my lead, everything would have been fine. Okay, talk to me about this because...
메들린은 M이
And she goes right upstairs.
유명한 범죄자 형제의 약을 훔쳤고 그 보복으로 살해됐을 거라 추측합니다.
This is the opposite of being cool.
Em's had her issues, but she would never.
Sounds like you don't know your sister, lady.
그들이 첫째 안토니가 떠난 후 부쩍 잠잠했던 것도 수상했죠.
Mrs. Jack, hi. I was wondering if you could tell me anything from you or your home.
No. It was her pesky friend, that
M이 도둑질을 한 것도 확실했고
squid pro quo.
둘째 앤드류의 말은 추측을 확신으로 만들기에 충분했는데요.
I haven't seen you since you were voted most likely to turn into a les at graduation.
Most likely to die in prison, that was it.
Free gift. The hero kills everyone messing with their family. Back off my family, or there's gonna be one more dead Cypress.
게다가 M에게는 추락사로 인해 생겨야 했을 흉터도 전혀 없었죠.
Yeah. Okay, quick. Tell me how you died and make it sound as dumb as possible.
My ex think I did it to myself. I don't think I did. Happened to me, but when I woke up, my bones weren't broken. Some were fuzzy, some were clear. As I was on the bridge, and something bad happened.
Riparian zone.
리바이벌 데이에 대해 조사 중이던 라미.
Viable hypothesis on the cause of Revival Day.
알린의 뇌 표본에서 이상한 점을 포착하고 그녀의 집을 조사하기로 합니다.
You're on a well system, correct?
That whatever he's looking for, he's not gonna find it here.
Oh.
그녀가 묶여 지냈던 방에서 수상한 물질을 발견한 순간
Hell you think you're doing?
I was admiring the beautiful bay horse.
She was my prize horse.
사위, 밥이 예민하게 반응하는 걸 목격하기도 했죠.
A true life angel. Even when it was a burden to take care of my needs. Puts so much light in the world.
사라졌던 알리는 딸의 장례식장에 나타납니다. 그녀는 나타나자마자 사위를 죽이고 딸에게 달려가는데요. 총을 쏴도 끄떡 않던 그녀를 단숨에 제압한 건 블레인이었습니다.
She was burned to a crisp.
Remains already healing, sir.
알린의 시신은 완전히 불타고도 재생을 계속했고 결국 사태 해결을 위해 주지사 해리스가 달려오죠.
I need support.
Yes.
라미는 이 자리에서 알린의 폭주가 부활자라서가 아니라 수은 때문이라고 해명했지만
Revivers aren't inherently.
All I'm hearing are half-baked theories. Oh, you're so hell-bent on your camp. You can't even see the truth.
These are people. They need to be protected.
All right. Sit down.
해리스는 부활자들에게 인식표를 달아 관리하라는 지시를 내립니다.
And avoid ourselves another Arlene situation. It works during Shark Week, and it'll work here. If any revivers show signs of aggression or violence, you have my authority to remove them to a secure location of your choosing.
Oh, wow.
Big, bold moves will settle tempers and fears in this town.
You happy now, Wayne?
그러나 폭주를 해명하려 채취한 물 표본에서는 기묘한 변화가 나타났고 라미는 이를 계속 연구하게 되지요. 폭력 사태가 일어났던 술집에서 단서를 얻은 데이나는
She left with some punk.
Told her no musicians.
로디가 공연하는 클럽을 찾습니다.
Your pathetic search for word, my discontent.
우연히 이곳을 찾은 체크 형제도 M을 발견했고 데이나는 때맞춰 등장한 막내 아담을 체포하죠.
Dana? Stop! Police!
Get her back.
You're gonna regret this, Cypress.
You want to join him?
이들이 M을 살해한 범인이라고 확신한 그녀는 안토니와 거래를 시도하는데요.
He's busy in New York.
Because you're scared. He was stuck outside the quarantine zone and...
What do you want, Grunt?
Anthony, your brother has 2 felony convictions already on his record, and I just got him on a 3rd. I'm willing to release, but I want a truce.
Take the deal, bro. Come on.
I know your operation, and I know you killed my sister, you dirty...
Your sister's a reviver?
의외로 형제는 M이 죽었었다는 사실 자체를 모르고 있었지만
Car crash or whatever.
I'll take the deal. Cut Adam loose.
일단 두 가문은 휴정 계약을 맺게 됩니다.
It's Tony. Got news.
그러나 안토니는 몰래 와소로 돌아오게 되지요.
You want Ma to die in that termite-infested shithole?
For God's sakes, hurry up.
Hang on.
다시 숨어버린 M은 로디와 함께 일탈을 즐깁니다.
This is romantic.
Sorry, do I need to be careful hugging you or?
With this condition, everyone looked at me different, like they were scared to touch me.
Just because you broke a lot doesn't mean you're broken.
I had to die to feel alive.
Will you do something with me?
Live a little. Brody! Feels amazing! Come on!
그리고 떨어지는 순간 잊고 있던 기억 일부를 되살려내지요.
Come on.
그녀가 죽던 날 부활자가 엮인 사건마다 끼어있던 블레인을 보았다는 것.
Hey, you know that you and I want the same thing, right?
We'll never want the same thing.
Gentlemen, appreciate you all coming here. Who's ready for a holy war?
M은 이 정보를 알리기 위해 언니에게 돌아갑니다.
There was somebody on the bridge that night. He spoke to me. He was the same guy on the news, the same guy who torched Arlene.
You're telling me Blaine Abel?
That's where I'm going too.
No.
I can't just sit here and do nothing.
Him fling my sister.
I get to hang out with your nephew?
No.
다시 만난 블레인은 수상한 자들을 거느리고 있었지만
A smart or wise comment, which is why you don't know it.
M을 만난 것을 부인하지 않았고 확실한 알리바이도 가지고 있었습니다.
I was called to tow a vehicle off Lester Majax.
Why were you on the bridge?
I was looking for the vehicle
What did you do to me?
Did you find it weird to see someone like...
because she was high, right?
And then what happened?
I found the car around the bend. Alonzo's on 12th.
그리고 이상한 불빛을 봤다고 증언했죠.
You were right there.
Thank you, Mr. Abel. That'll be all.
The end of days are near.
The real Jordan's dead. My mom heard on that radio show that revivers are demons.
한편 쿠퍼는 학교에서 괴롭힘 당하는 친구 조던을 감싸다 벌을 받게 되는데요.
Hey Jordan, show me your hand.
Your son attacked another child.
He was gonna hurt Jordan to see if she would heal.
조던은 부활자라는 이유로 학교에서도
Convince people that they're safe from these revivers.
Of this little tiny little adorable girl?
I am doing my best.
Your best sucks.
집에서도 보호받지 못하고 있었습니다.
It's okay.
That is not our daughter up there.
Can we have some cookies?
And we prayed over him.
But she's worth loving.
이후 데이나는 조던을 틈틈이 돌보기 시작했고 함께 놀던 두 아이는 숲속에서 이상한 현상을 목격하지만
What was that? I don't know.
All right, guys.
어른들에게 알리지는 않았죠.
There's nothing wrong with you.
데이나는 부활자들에게 적대적인 아버지와 달리 아이를 신경 써서 돌봤고
You have to make sure you get some sleep.
라미는 그녀에게 좀 더 깊은 호감을 느끼게 됩니다.
Can I buy you dinner?
All revivers are now required.
부활자 의무 등록이 실시되고
Please be aware that this
M은 부활자들의 신분증에 낙인을 찍으러 다니던 아버지와 다시 만납니다.
Jesus, Dana!
I'm alerting all registered revivers about the new mandate.
Brody.
그는 딸이 부활자라는 건 모른 채
Are you going to be at your appointment tomorrow?
폭행 사건에 대한 처벌만 알리고 돌아가죠.
20 hours of anger management, and the first session is tomorrow at 9. Bro.
M은 아빠의 명령대로 상담을 받으러 가는데요.
How do you think being a reviver has impacted your emotions?
상담사 리시아는 에런의 아내였습니다.
Your secret is safe with me. I have other clients who are also revivers.
M은 자신이 부활자라는 걸 아는 그녀와
Now, do you remember what happened the night of revival day?
I was high a lot back then. Been my fault, and I got hurt, and on her birthday, and I had to get high to get through it. Sister thinks I myself or OD'd, but I don't. Starting to think that someone hurt me.
자신과 엄마의 죽음에 대한 깊은 대화를 나눴고
We do a lot to protect our loved ones. And I don't think that we acknowledge enough an illness changes our relationship with them, even if it's from a lens of love.
그녀가 암 환자라는 것도 알고 약간의 죄책감을 느끼게 되죠. M은 계속해서 부분적인 기억을 떠올리는데요. 깨어났을 때 뱉어내던 반지는
Blaine?
No scars, no tattoos, but he.
살인자의 것이 맞았습니다. 데이나는 렌트업체에서 블레인의 알리바이와 차를 빌린 사람을 확인합니다.
James Anderson paid $75 cash.
견인한 차에서 와서 종합병원의 주차증을 발견했고 병원과 에런의 연결고리도 찾아냈죠.
Weimar. Her chemotherapy is usually scheduled for 5 hours.
So Cynthia was here till 12, but the car was dropped off at 10. He left. He's using the chemo sessions as an alibi.
수상한 낌새의 데이나는 그를 찾아다니는데요.
You need to call me back ASAP.
얼마 전 에런의 집에 누군가 다녀갔고
Aaron?
그는 훔친 USB를 기자에게 투척했습니다. 이 일그러진 얼굴의 남자는 사건과 깊이 관련되어 있는 것이 확실했죠. 단지 주인에 대한 단서는 전당포에서 찾을 수 있었습니다.
Sold anything?
This quarantine, I've only had the one buyer. I had this gentleman email me saying he needed to replace his wife's wedding ring. Didn't want his wife to find out he lost it. Offered to pay me double.
Do you remember what he looked like or his name?
James.Anderson@uwmc.com.
That's Aaron's TA.
차를 빌렸던 제임스는 에런의 조교였고 M은 에런이 자신을 죽였다고 다시 확신하게 되지요.
I envy the sleepers. Each dawn's question the same without you. Why does the night end and bring the morning?
Em, I don't think this is such a good idea.
I'm done playing it safe, you with me or not. I don't need you.
그때 USB가 사라진 걸 안 에런은 누군가에게 화를 내는데요.
I've had enough of this. He was in the house with my wife. This is going beyond crossing the line. No, I kept out my end of the deal. I didn't tell anyone. I can take you down with me.
What are you doing?
자료들을 불태우며
I'm taking care of it. Just please.
뭔가를 숨긴 그는 데이트 중이던 데이나에게 문자를 보냅니다.
Yeah, but the GPS says that oh.
그러나 그를 먼저 찾아낸 M.
Found you.
I already.
You're a liar!
This is a really bad time.
Yeah, it's
okay?
always a bad time.
여전히 범행을 부인하는 그에게 분노를 쏟아내는데요.
I didn't mean to hurt you. You're right. I was there. I took you from the bridge. I'm sorry. You were special. No,
누군가 그에게 총을 발사합니다. 그리고 두 번째 총알은 자매를 관통했죠.
Dana?
데이나는 동생이 부활자라는 것을 감추기 위해
She wasn't here.
거짓말을 부탁한 뒤 정신을 잃습니다.
Thankfully, the bullet seems to have missed any of the major organs.
M이 빠지자 사건은 자연스레 데이나가 범인이라는 방향으로 흘러갔죠.
Well, the most likely scenario is that Dana drew her gun, they tussled for it, and both of them got shot. Find me some physical evidence. Get me something that backs that up, because I think.
So she was investigating something then, was she?
I don't know. She got a text from someone, and that redirected us there to the woods.
What did that text say?
I didn't know. I didn't think it was any of my business.
Yeah. Did Dana say anything? Dana's a pretty chatty person, you know. Anything suspicious?
Nope, it would.
No.
Mr.
Weimar.
Mr. Weimar. There was no one else.
Hey, Dana's in a surgery.
거짓말을 하느라 진땀을 빼던 라미.
What did you say in there?
Except for you.
M에게 사건의 전말을 물었지만 그녀도 말해줄 수 있는 게 많지 않았는데요.
Then who shot her? M? Did he set this all up?
Oh no, he couldn't have looked. Is that Aaron and I have a bit of a history, okay? And told me to leave, but before I could, his body shot him, and then Dana showed up, and before I could even warn her, someone shot her too. Her gun, and I shot back, and I hit him. I am so sorry that you.
I'm lying for Dana.
자신의 몸에 남은 단서를 이용해
I will figure this out, okay?
직접 사건을 해결하기로 하지요.
There is a working theory that Dana is the one at fault, but I know there has got to be more to this.
How would you go about finding a missing bullet? Find the bullet, find the shooter.
Yes, and we're going to sweep. Now that's it. No more questions.
아버지를 통해 총알이 사건 해결의 핵심임을 확인한 그녀.
I don't know, dude.
Come on. Okay.
Look.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I got it!
메들린과 함께 총알을 빼내고
So once you get Randy out, that's when I go in.
시체 안치실에 침입해
On Aaron's bullet, so that when the police find it, the shooter shot Aaron, Dana, and I all. Once they find the bullet, they find the shooter who shot Dana.
총알을 사건 현장에 흘려둡니다. 한편 시장 켄의 아내 다이앤이 웨인을 찾아옵니다.
I'm a reviver, Wayne.
I'm so sorry.
그녀는 자신이 부활자임을 감춰달라고 부탁했지만
The town, I have to keep everyone safe.
그는 단호하게 거절했죠.
We stepped up for you, Wayne. Don't act like Ken didn't look the other way for you during that time. Please.
I'm sorry.
You know how embarrassing that was for her? Notice on our door? Why do you gotta be such an asshole?
화가 난 켄이 찾아와 따졌지만 웨인은 꿈쩍도 하지 않았고
This is the woman that brought you casseroles. Who helped watch little Martha?
But she's gone, Ken. I am the sheriff, okay?
But what if it was somebody that you loved was a reviver? Would you still do it?
Yes.
It's clear that the last piece of goodness in the Cypress family died with Patty. Go ahead, Wayne. Give it your shot.
오랜 기간 친구였던 두 남자는 완전한 적이 되어버립니다.
You'll never wear a badge again.
I'm at a dead end, Dance. I need your help with this. And I wish to hell you'd have come to me if you were in trouble. Sure, it's my fault. Mom always said I was too hard on you.
데이나가 아직 깨어나지 못한 상태에서
Sheriff. The last text that Aaron Weimar sent before he died was to Dana.
그녀에게 불리한 증거가 추가로 발견됩니다.
The usual cause of rapid algae bloom formation, Moore Creek, is ground zero for revival day.
조급해진 웨인은 라민을 찾아가는데요.
Maybe you missed something, Doc. You did see something else, didn't you?
그때 들리는 비명.
Note that we increased the dosage by 5 milligrams.
라민의 부하 직원인 모렐은 생체 실험을 하고 있었습니다.
You just be sure to tell the judge I was on my best behavior.
끔찍한 방법에 기겁한 라민은 실험을 반대했지만
Stream regions of pathogens to see if we could get the sheriff the answers he needs.
Crotalase could slow cell division.
After revivers showed unnatural strength under duress, we decided to try this option.
So they are dangerous.
No, we cannot jump to conclude.
Change the dose, and then maybe we can figure out what started this whole revival thing in the first place.
We all know you have a moral objection.
주지사는 오히려 그녀를 승진시키며 연구에 힘을 실어줍니다.
Talk to the sheriff.
You can surrender all your samples and data to Dr. Morrell. You answer to her now.
Appreciate your support. I'll give you a second.
라민은 조용히 무어크릭과 관련된 샘플들을 감췄죠. 데이나는 무사히 깨어납니다.
I think I got hit by a Mack truck. Did they find who did this?
Not yet. He was on the bridge that night, and somehow his ring was inside of me. He was lying, so I really thought that he killed me, even though he swears that he didn't.
Did you kill Aaron?
Wanted to, but I couldn't. Do you think that they were there for Aaron and maybe you just got caught in the middle? I was the reason that you nearly died.
위기를 딛고 일어난 자매의 사이는 다시 돈독해졌죠.
I'm not going anywhere, okay? We'll figure this out. Together.
I have my ways.
Consistent with the injuries of the victim.
에미 조작한 증거가 발견되고
Have you talked to Lester yet? Apparently, he saw someone suspicious.
That's 4 in total of those black ski masks.
범인을 본 사람도 나타났는데요.
And one of those small flashlights was a Phoenix TK-16.
Like this?
Well, yeah.
웨인은 범인이 경찰이라는 결론을 내립니다.
It's a cop. I want you to run ballistics on everybody's firearm.
Okay, yeah. Well, I'm gonna need yours too.
Right, vehicles, work and private, evidence logs.
All right, I get it.
Sheriff, please. I got more.
그리고 곧 범인이 붙잡혔죠.
We found the bullet that killed Aaron, and your gun wasn't a match. McRae.
맥그레이가 사람의 발까지 가지고 체포되며 데이나는 용의 선상에서 벗어나죠.
Is that a foot?
But do not be fooled. The dead do not return without cost.
블레이는 부활자들을 비방하는 방송을 진행하고
This is me.
Have anything they'd like to share?
I used to think God had a plan.
Your opportunity to live with intention.
부활자들의 모임 장소에도 나타나 위협을 가하기도 합니다.
Leave these poor people alone.
People bleed and then die. These are not people. Sort of demon standing.
She said leave.
Yeah. It's pagan rot.
Don't hurt him.
그는 일부러 추종자들이 흥분할 상황을 만들었고
To show their true colors, boys.
This brave soul proved himself worthy to our cause.
Our fortress grants us everlasting.
충성을 보인 자에게 기묘한 의식과 기적을 선보이며
Go in. May it burn away your sins.
결속력을 다시죠.
Behold his ascension.
All right, we don't got a lot of time.
맥크레이와 함께 부활자의 신체를 유통하던 건 체크 형제들이었습니다.
Today, right now, get him over the border, out of Wausau.
경찰 내부 인사를 잃은 그들은 사업을 이어나갈 새로운 방법을 모색하게 되지요.
We're gonna kill two birdies with one stone.
Anything new on the reviver parts from his trunk?
경찰은 발견된 신체가 20대의 것임을 확인했고
There's one. Well,
I know that kid.
웨이는 얼마 되지 않는 20대 부활자 중 아는 얼굴을 붙잡아 오는데요.
What is this place?
Welcome to Riverside.
억울하게 끌려온 로디는
Ain't nothing you can do.
What's going on here?
부활자로 생체 실험을 진행 중인 시설에 갇히게 되죠.
I had more rights as a criminal than I do as a reviver. That's for damn sure.
한편 데이나를 따라다니던 기자 메이가 또다시 찾아옵니다.
Wait, are these my Black Deer files?
That's all I have, and I'll be quick, okay? Do you mind just giving us some privacy?
Stay, I don't trust her.
그녀는 과거 블랙디어 사건과 관련된 뭔가를 전하려 했지만
I think the reason that you were shot is because you were getting too close to the truth.
You're getting too close to my face.
No, I don't think he shot you. I think he was set up.
She thinks he was set up. Maybe I shot myself. And then Aaron.
Bang, bang.
The Black Deer case everyone thinks I botched 2 years ago. Get out of here.
데이나는 그녀의 메시지를 외면해버립니다.
My notes are in those files.
Okay, let's.
No touching.
No, no! Stop bringing in candy and donuts!
Sorry.
I'm retiring after.
게다가 M이 반격한 상처가 없는 맥크레이는 진짜 범인이 아니었고
And now JP tells me he's likely working with the checks.
And I don't think the checks are part of this. Dad, they knock on my door and shoot me in the face. Well, he may be an idiot, but he's an opportunistic one. Hell, if I was gonna frame someone, it'd be him.
You were right to want out of here.
What? Dad.
Anything you need, I'm not going to hold you back. Okay.
위험은 생각보다 더 가까이에 있었죠.
You're the one who's yelling at me. You're home with me, buddy. Ow.
Are you sure?
Take them back where they came from!
아이들이 걱정된 데이나는 라민에게 집에 들러달라고 부탁하는데요.
Okay.
Hello?
엉망이 된 집.
No one's here. Dana and the place has been ravaged.
It's scary. Dana, something's really wrong.
Comic on the wall with a knife through.
체크 형제의 짓이었습니다. 곧장 달려가려던 데이나는 의료진에게 저지당합니다.
Our boy Tommy.
형제는 아이들을 판매용 신체를 준비하는 공장으로 데려갔고 M을 보스를 위한 새 상품으로 만들 계획을 세우죠.
All right, let's get a move on. Get her cleaned up and presentable. You're gonna be the pretty little face of our boss's new franchise.
깨어난 데이나는 체크 형제와의 일을 털어놓는데요.
We made a deal. Where's my dad? Does he know?
맥크레이는 이번 일에 대해 정말 아는 게 없었지만
No idea what you're talking about, man.
I don't know. Let's find out, huh?
And if it's about the brothers, then I don't want anything to do with that. It's not them I'm afraid of. It's who they work for.
원인은 그가 맞았습니다.
Your mother like a Christmas tree if you do anything to my family.
Mom, it's okay.
Now, your pa's arrest of McCrae has complicated our plans.
안토니는 물건이 경계를 넘게 해주면 쿠퍼만을 돌려주겠다는 조건을 걸었고
Keep your hands off my sister.
She stole from my family. Fair I steal from yours. Your sister's gone. But your little boy you could save. as compliance. First truck, 90 and VRD 74. Every last Cypress alive gets thrown into a wood chipper.
I understand. Pull the car around, they've taken him.
Now! Ow, yeah.
The pterodactyl shot now.
Why?
Brent and I are headed to the southern checkpoint. Tell me when you get to the border. This is for Cooper and Em. I need you to trust me.
Okay.
강력한 진통제의 힘을 빌린 데이나가 병원을 나서려는 순간
Good to go.
Shit.
Brent, it was you?
브렌트는 실패한 일을 마저 끝내려 했지만
Piss on me!
배에 구멍이 난 데이나도 이기지 못하고
Just died.
쓰러집니다. 겨우 병실을 나선 데이나는
I have the vehicle in my sights.
안토니의 트럭을 찾아냅니다.
Get your hands up!
그러나
Em, I'm here.
그 안에 있는 건 M이 아니었죠.
Where did you load this truck?
Oasis Street.
You tell him you made it past the checkpoint. Em's not on this truck, she's on yours.
데이나는 먼저 체크 형제의 창고로 출발하지만
Don't engage until we arrive.
134 at 9th and New Aces. Proceed with caution.
Is that the Czech Brothers warehouse?
I think so.
Dad, do you have her?
Not here.
웨이는 바로 합류하지 못하는데요. 갑자기 솟은 괴력으로 탈출한 M. 혼자서 체크 형제의 공장을 습격합니다. 우연히 경찰 무전을 주워 듣고 창고에 도착한 라미는 먼저 탈출한 조던을 발견했는데요.
I got you, okay?
I can help. I'm a reviver.
No. You're just a kid, okay?
뭔가 이상한 것과 마주치게 됩니다. 공장에 도착해 아이들을 찾던 데이나는 안토니의 습격에 쓰러집니다.
Look at me. Never go against the family.
에미 그를 처리하고 쿠퍼를 구해냈지만
Corner, and I need you to get out of here as soon as possible, okay?
총상에 이어 중상을 덧입은 데이나는 정신이 아득해지는데
Give up, please.
그 순간 M에게 전에 없던 능력이 깨어납니다.
Jordan!
같은 순간 세 사람의 앞에는 괴 생명체가 나타났고
Thank you all for being so kind to me.
조던은 평온한 얼굴로 그것과 함께 사라져버렸죠. 상처를 치료한 M은 정신을 잃고 쓰러집니다.
Pulse is weakening. Dana, I think she's dying.
그녀를 숨겨달라는 부탁을 받은 라미는 M을 데리고 도망치죠. 그러나 데이나가 감추려던 모든 것은
You should know the governor has this too.
CCTV 때문에 세상이 드러나고 맙니다.
Wayne, is Martha a reviver?
드디어 딸들의 비밀을 알게 된 웨이.
Hey, you were in the ICU and now you're standing here.
Em healed me.
자신이 어떤 아빠였는지도 깨닫습니다.
I could have done something.
Turned the town against revivers. Stuck them in camps.
Now you got to tell me what happened to Martha.
게다가 비밀을 알게 된 건 그뿐만이 아니었습니다.
I just got a call from the governor, and this shit is completely out of his control.
What did the governor do?
체크 형제가 몰살당하며 와수에는 계엄령이 내려졌고
Take the reviver.
군은 도시 전역의 부활자들을 잡아들이는데요.
Your governor isn't happy, Wayne.
Oh my God, Kenny, you told him about Martha? Son of a bitch!
분노의 눈이 돌아버린 켄은 에미 체크 사건의 범인임을 폭로해버렸죠.
This is our future.
한편 꾸준히 성전을 준비해왔던 블레인.
We must show the people to send those demons back to hell. I was born in a Wausau but I have awoken in a far different Wausau. The Father and his avenging angels are coming for the demons. Their days walking amongst us are numbered. For I am now the door which our Father.
선동하는 방송 말고는 별다른 행보가 없던 그는
But isn't it time for our ascension?
수종자의 질문에 뭔가를 보여줍니다. 바로 부활자를 심판하는 방법이었죠.
She's perished, replaced by something vile.
It's not mine.
So we are going to cleanse Wausau and restore my good name.
그는 가장 신실한 추종자 타일러를 수용시설에 잠입시키기까지 합니다. 이때 M을 데려간 뒤에도 계속 실험을 진행하던 라민.
There are no exceptions. The decision has to be family and friends have been because all
Hey, we're coming now. Shit.
군인들이 가까워지자 무어크릭의 물을 먹이는데요.
This is all I got. Okay. I'm with you, okay? I'm with you.
눈도 못 뜨던 그녀가 순식간에 걸을 수 있을 정도로 호전되었죠.
We gotta get to Moore Creek.
감시를 달고 풀려난 웨이는 데이나를 찾아옵니다.
If they don't have M yet, that's good. That means Ibrahim's keeping her safe.
그는 데이나와 함께 M의 죽음을 파헤치기로 하는데요.
I think I've collected on M's case.
Walk me through what we have here.
No, I don't think Blaine was working with Aaron.
마음만 앞서고 표현은 서툰 아버지와 똑 닮은 그 딸은 계속해서 다투기만 하지요.
Well, let's follow the evidence, okay, instead of your gut.
Stop throwing the Blackdeer case in my face.
You had the guy in your grasp and you let him go.
Together when I see one, no thanks to you, shit. I don't know what you are. That's the problem.
But everything I've ever done has only been with your best interest at heart.
그러나 결국 쓸만한 것을 떠올려낸 분이요.
You know, his writing is atrocious.
Check the GPS records from his...
I mean, I was gonna do that. You know what? Why the hell was he at Randy's crematorium?
That's where he was on revival night?
Our GPS says.
Right, well, one of us needs to create a diversion so the other can slip out to Randy's.
You take the lead.
Make your move, bitch! You were never born!
Jesus.
Should we do something?
No. Don't shoot the roof.
거창한 가짜 싸움으로 감시자들을 따돌리는 데 성공합니다.
Hey, Dad! We make a good team.
Brent was here that night. He wanted to discuss some fella chilling in the morgue. Deputy Brent said that the fella had taken his own life.
브렌트는 가족이 있는데도 무연고자라던 수상한 시신을 가져왔었다고 하는데요.
The poor guy revived right as he went in the fire.
같은 날 메이가 다녀갔다는 것도 알아냈죠.
May Tao?
Yeah, May Tao. Yeah, on account that she's a journalist or whatever, and she wanted to interview little old me, which I thought was pretty dope. Turns out all she really wanted to talk about was the soon-to-be-burnt John Doe that Brent brought in.
그 사이 M과 라미는 무어크릭 근처의 숲에 도착합니다.
I don't know who I am anymore. To be timid and fragile and who I was and now I have
M은 최근에 급격한 변화에 혼란스러워하고 있었지만
You're living an unprecedented life, Em. But what I saw last night, what I observed, was this. Jordan, she didn't look scared of the creature. She went toward it. She chose it instead of us. So maybe, you know.
Maybe not all monsters are bad.
Yeah.
라미는 그녀가 원래대로 돌아갈 수 있다며 이끄는데요. 그의 답은 무어크릭에 몸을 담그는 것.
Careful.
정말로 M은 물속에서 모든 질문의 답을 떠올렸지만 조용히 둘을 뒤따라오던 괴한이 모습을 드러냈죠. 메이는 데이나가 담당했던 블랙디어 사건을 쫓고 있었습니다.
Why do we have the same murder board?
How did you know Brent was my shooter?
브렌트와 신원 미상의 시신도 그 사건과 연결되어 있다고 했죠.
Are you looking into my sister's murder too?
So Em is a reviver. I've just been looking for justice for Rose and for Jesse.
But what does that have to do with Brent and me?
Brent killed Jesse.
Jesse escaped. And what were you really doing at Brandy's on revival night?
You want to ask him yourself?
그리고 누굴 만나게 해주겠다며 숲속으로 데려가는데요.
Shit! May.
그곳에서는 M과
Where is he? Where's Ibrahim?
Back in Word Creek. Someone else brought me here.
제시가 기다리고 있었죠.
Hi, Dana.
Jesse Blackdeer?
수상한 신원 미상 시신의 정체는 제시 블랙디어였습니다.
I let you go. I thought you made it out.
데이나의 도움으로 도망쳤지만 딸 로즈를 죽인 진범에게 살해되었던 제시.
Thanks to Uncle Don, I've been safe and be able to work close with May to find the answers.
그는 자신과 딸을 죽인 범인이 M을 살해했다고 확신하고 있었죠.
Whoever killed me and my Rose, they killed you too.
2년 전 딸이 원주민 구역으로 떠나는 걸 반대했던 제시.
Don, I'm working.
I shouldn't have to hear from your Uncle Don that you're leaving.
로즈가 보호구역을 떠나는 순간
There's just nothing for me to do here.
아내가 남긴 땅이 정부에 반환되기 때문이었는데요.
Okay, Mom doesn't live through a stupid land contract.
This is important. We need to talk.
Dad! Okay, we'll talk about this later.
친구인 메이와 시카고로 떠날 계획이었던 로즈는
I don't really care where we are, you know.
No, we're still going.
I mean, there's no need to rush.
And if I don't go now and lock us in, and next thing you know, we'll be stuck here until we're 50.
그날 밤 홀로 집을 떠났습니다.
Hey! Where are you going?
그리고 역으로 가려던 중
Rose.
마주친 누군가에게
What?
살해됐죠.
Officer Cypress?
단순 가출이라고 생각한 경관들은 미지근하게 대처했지만
It's been 72 hours. 3 days.
The authorities in Chicago and at her...
No one ever cares.
I'm not giving up on this.
Telling you something happened to her. Dana, please.
이 사건을 홀로 유심히 조사하던 데이나는 뭔가를 발견해냈고
I think our missing person case just became a homicide.
실종 수사는 살인 사건으로 전환되죠.
We're gonna need to search the premises. We need to search the whole house. I'm sorry, Jesse.
이웃들은 실종 전 부녀의 싸움을 기억하고 있었고
Turns out Rose did buy a ticket to Chicago, but she never got on the bus.
너무도 명확해 보이는 범행 동기들이 발견됩니다.
It's a land ownership contract. It's Rose's.
그러나 부족장은
Hey there, Elder Don George.
부모의 입장에서 헤아려 보라며 그의 편을 들었고
Jesse only did what's best for Rose. What would you give up for your child?
No, you're gonna be all right. Bye now.
So, did you find anything in the letters?
The bear letters, yeah.
이후 로즈가 베어라는 수상한 인물과 편지를 주고받은 것이 발견됩니다.
You told the Wausau Chronicle.
데이나는 제시를 용의 선상에서 배제하려 했죠.
I'm looking into this person called Bear.
So your suspect is the pen pal?
My gut is telling me Jesse's not our guy. Right now, all
To
he's...
the Blackdeer property tomorrow.
데이나는 유력한 용의자로 블레인을 지목하는데요.
Officer?
사건 당일 여행 중이었다던 그는
Where were you traveling?
Myrtle Beach.
Do you have proof? So when I look up this receipt, do I search for Blaine or Bear?
로즈의 펜팔 상대였던 베어였죠.
Rose is special to me. She's one of the only people that actually sees me.
We're twice her age, and you expect me to believe...
하지만 두 번째 수색에서
I don't know how that got in there, Dana. You gotta believe me.
로즈의 셔츠가 발견되며
Must have fallen down the side when he burned the body.
상황은 순식간에 뒤집힙니다.
I want a lawyer.
제시는 누명을 썼다며 억울해했고
Let me see if I can...
No, I don't want. I shouldn't have trusted you in the first place.
This entire department is rotten to its core, and you know it! Was it your dad who planted the evidence, or was it you? It's never changed! Go!
Let's get you in here. He's on the run.
Shit.
이송 중 탈출하는 대형 사고를 치게 되죠.
Jesse! Stop!
데이나에게 발각되었지만
You're gonna have to shoot me. My Rose is gone. Let me go too. Thank you.
결국 보내주고 마는데
You let him go?
Visual confirmed, but he evaded. We lost him. Ping's constant pride.
2년이 지난 후에도 로즈의 죽음을 파헤치던 메이.
Zeb, breaking myself. 7-year run if he didn't miss the championship 2 years ago.
Brent ever missed was on November 17th, which was one night before he found Rose's shirt. This is the same guy who won regionals the year prior while running a fever of 102.
브렌트가 증거를 조작했다는 걸 알아냈죠.
I need to get to Jesse. Jesse Blackdeer?
Just leave me alone.
I'm not here for you. I'm here for Rose. We were friends. Been looking into Rose's case.
How'd you find me?
Uncle Don.
Why would he help you?
I was in love with your daughter, Jesse. Not entirely, but I'm close.
Deputy Brent?
숨어 지내던 제시는 이 소식을 듣고 와소로 돌아오게 됩니다.
I think that he planted evidence in your house. Look, his mother was ill. They had medical bills piling up, and I found after he found her torn shirt in your basement, pleads the payment for his mother's treatment in full. Wait, where are you going?
To handle business. There needs to be some answers.
그러나 자신을 쫓는 걸 알아챈 브렌트에게 살해되었고 소각로 안에서 되살아났죠.
It's tied to M.
이들은 M과 로즈의 소지품이 발견되고
Moore Creek. Same place we found the earring.
Because that's where I was murdered.
M의 기억을 되찾은 무어 크릭이 모든 단서와 연결되었다는 것을 깨닫습니다.
Mom had this thing with the water being special. Person in an animal mask holding me down and carved on his chest.
되살아난 M을 따라가며 에런까지 찾아냈지만
Coincidence for you?
그가 살해되는 바람에 진짜 배우는 아직 찾아내지 못한 상태였는데요.
Between him and Aaron, the model of a car, a dark blue Cutlass Supreme. The USB drive that we took from Aaron's house.
남은 힌트들은 블레인을 범인으로 지목하고 있었습니다.
Our tribe have had land disputes with the Abels for decades.
He was not there just towing a car, and he was there that night.
복수하겠다며 성급히 뛰쳐나간 부활자들.
Where are you going?
Let them try that again.
Reviver or not, had a small militia.
하지만 데이나는 제대로 된 복수를 위해 조금만 참아달라며 그들을 붙잡았죠.
Your vengeance is not gonna bring our Rose.
I didn't come through for you last time. Let me do it for you this time, okay?
그러나 그날 밤 블레인의 집에 숨어든 제시.
And the path we choose, a stream, an icy river, return to what we were. But these quiet bridges carry us beyond the dark. Not with force, but with a promise.
조던을 데려갔던 빛에 이끌리고
Unaware, was waiting below in an icy river.
그 빛의 끝에서 로즈의 시신을 발견합니다.
Mr. Abel! It's the angels! Where is my angel?
그날 로즈를 데려갔던 건 에런이었죠.
I've got her. I'll meet you in Moore Creek.
하지만 딸을 되찾은 제시는
It's calling me. Rose can move on.
미련 없이 떠나게 됩니다. 같은 날
M?
드디어 로디의 연락을 받은 M.
I am now. I managed to escape, so I'm getting out of here. Come with me.
What? So close to figuring this out. Like,
Can we at least say goodbye?
past the camp at Unity Drive.
작별 인사라도 하겠다는 말에 그를 만나러 달려갔지만
M.
Don't cry, it's okay. What's wrong?
I'm so sorry, M. I'm so sorry.
함정에 걸리고 맙니다. 제시에게 공격당한 뒤 버려졌던 라미는 결박된 채 깨어납니다. 우연히 그를 주었던 블레인은
Lovely.
그의 연구에 관심을 보였죠.
Great doctor, after all. Why don't you tell me What started Revival Day?
Don't you already have all the answers? Huh?
I have some pieces. I want to know the origin so I can better fight it.
I'm not helping you.
그는 리바이벌 데이에 겪은 기이한 일을 들려주며
Come through the forest. The gates of hell had opened.
Stoking fear and hate.
But one thing I am not is a fraud.
자신이 신의 사자가 맞다고 주장하는데요.
So when did you lose your faith?
자신에게 천사가 있다며
An angel would have opened your heart.
자신감 넘치는 모습을 보였죠.
Through the woods like she did last time. Just a beacon of light.
A yellow light?
You know, we want the same thing.
그런 납슨 사이코톨 마우트.
이때 에미, 블레인에게 납치당했다고 생각한 데이나가 들이닥칩니다.
Lester Majak asked me to tow a car.
하지만 블레인은 검거된 후에도 납치도 살인도 부인했죠.
Does it look like I have $10,000?
And only God can judge me.
Sick of this.
When I saw your sister on the bridge that night, I couldn't help but wonder who in her family failed her.
Up a murder junkie.
Losing everything. And then to have your mother run out on you immediately thereafter.
So then you find these two young, you're just angry and you just want to punish them.
I did not murder your sister, and I did not murder Rose.
You know, we finally found her body.
In the trunk of one of the wrecked cars, on
Bullshit! Just set me up.
사이비 교주였던 아버지와 똑같은 그의 행보는 누가 봐도 범인 같았지만
We don't need your confession.
We know what you did, and we know why you did it.
라미는 그가 범인이 아닌 이유가 너무 많다고 지적합니다.
His threats are only directed towards survivors, not young women.
Is he in there? I need your help. Find out where Blaine's money went.
Why does she require such extreme measures?
M은 수용소의 독방에 갇히게 됩니다.
You're gonna be okay.
극심한 스트레스를 받은 그녀는 죽은 어머니의 환상을 보기 시작했고
It's me. I never meant for this to happen. They threatened my family.
But as soon as you do, they will break your heart.
그 목소리에 따라 공격적으로 변했죠.
Please, she's not okay.
Please don't leave me again.
힘든 시간을 보내던 그녀에게
Hello, Martha.
니시아가 찾아오는데요.
Have an affair with a married man while his wife was going through cancer treatment, Martha. If I had lived long enough to see you turned into a homewrecker, I might have killed myself.
Can you see her too?
You're experiencing a break with reality.
그녀는 M의 트라우마에 접근하며 치료를 시도했고
Leonie was heckling her for the Black Deer case.
Stop it, Martha!
My mom
That's
called my
ours.
dad,
You okay?
so I drowned.
Time's up. Corrections.
She's still in a very fragile.
all I need.
No.
You felt so much loss in your life. Let him go.
그러자 환영은
I did the right thing.
눈 녹은 듯 사라졌죠.
Mom?
비밀리에 뭔가를 준비 중이었던 케일 장군.
Sooner we get to Damper Point, the
You have to get me out of here.
대화를 우연히 듣게 된 다이애는 그들이 이송을 준비하고 있다는 사실을 바깥에 전합니다.
You son of a bitch.
켄은 아내를 구출하기 위해 다시 오랜 친구를 찾아가죠.
We gotta bust them out. Or we'll never see them again.
다시 손잡은 두 사람은 부활자들의 구출에 착수하는데요.
Tell them that I need to know if they've cleared any highways, rail lines, or flight paths out of Wausau.
I need a hand here.
이때 수용소 근처에 갔던 레스터가 군인들에게 폭행을 당하는 일이 벌어집니다.
Wanda didn't ask to come back from the dead. But you couldn't care less, Sheriff. Overlook us because of our age.
See if you can convince him to go to the hospital.
Until you realized that Martha was one of them. Leadership. That's cowardice.
웨이는 새삼 자신이 와소에 큰 잘못을 저질렀다는 걸 깨닫죠.
Okay, so Blaine was telling the truth.
한편 누굴 매수할 만한 돈이 없었다는 블레인의 말이 사실인 것으로 드러납니다. 심지어 가진 재산 전부를 로즈를 위한 포상금으로 내놓았다고 했죠.
Dana, he can't go free. You have to find something to make this stick. Finish what you started.
데이나는 좀 더 확실한 증거를 찾기 위해 그의 집을 수색하는데 완다가 숨을 거두던 순간이 찍힌 영상이 발견됩니다. 그 모습은 조던과 비슷하면서도 달라 보였죠.
Seems like that light is the thing that killed her.
I've seen the source of light. It's a creature or a being, like an apparition, but it wouldn't kill. She went toward it peacefully and then she disappeared.
Maybe the thing that you saw is different from the thing in the video.
데이나는 이 수색으로 블레인이 수용소의 부활자를 쓸어버릴 계획을 세웠음을 알아냅니다.
Blaine's gonna break into Riverside.
He called it his angel, but he told me he lost it.
I know what the general's up to.
게다가 바로 내일 케일의 부활자 이송 작전이 예정되어 있었죠.
And put them on a ship to Christ knows where.
We force her into a new plan.
웨이는 민병대의 습격을 가장해 부활자들을 빼돌리기로 합니다.
Thanks.
This is all the pyro we have at the station. They're gonna set all this off at once.
We're gonna enter from the back lot. This is my chance to make it right. Let's go save the people that we love.
I have an urgent message for General Kale. There's a local militia that's gonna attack me.
You're taking your medicine early today because...
조금씩 죄책감을 느끼고 있던 모렐 박사가 협조하며
I said I got this. Give us some space. This is gonna feel different, but you have to act the same. Help is coming.
작전은 수용소 내부에서부터 은밀하게 진행되었죠.
About time.
모두가 작전을 시행하러 나간 사이 맴돌던 의문을 확인하려던 라미.
On the night of revival night, right? Same night that you saw that yellow light shoot up into the sky and the...
I saw M on the bridge, and then when I went back, the light was gone.
M wasn't at the bridge. I've been studying that water. Moore Creek, it has heal revivers. It helps revivers, specifically M. Cypress. It's connected to the water. M's death caused revival day.
She what?
결론에 도달한 순간 블레인의 인질이 되고 맙니다. 작전은 예정대로 시작되었지만
Small militia approaching from the northeast.
You so much as twitching.
Your sister sent me. We have to go now.
따로 격리되어 있던 M은 타일러에게 속아 사라져버렸고
Where's Em? She's not here. She's still inside. She's gonna be at the door any second
We
now.
can't just leave her here.
We're getting the hell out of here. Let's go. It's because of you.
켄은 아내를 찾자마자 배신을 때리는데요.
We need each other the most. What the hell happened?
When Patty died, why he didn't come and pick you up?
자신을 붙잡는 데이나에게 충격적인 사실을 폭로하죠.
Guys, we need to move now.
Nella's bar.
Dana.
No.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
아버지의 불륜에 충격받은 데이나는
Look, Dana, your mother and I were separated.
I don't just
그동안 조금 가까워졌던 웨인을 다시 원망하게 됩니다.
I spent the last 2 years beating myself up about Mom, blaming herself for the accident, and you want to know the
Me being with Diane did not cause a deer to run in front of you.
Should have been you.
It's Lester.
이때 끈질기게 전화하는 레스터.
I'll just answer it.
What do you want, Lester?
We got some trespassers that need taking care of. They have guns.
Then call the station.
No, don't hang up. They have a girl.
블레인 일당을 발견한 거였죠.
Behold, you are the mother of Babylon.
And I aim to send you right back. We have heard over and over this term, revival.
Now walk amongst us.
블레인은 M을 처형하며 자신이 선택받은 자임을 증명하려 합니다.
I never laid a hand on you, but now my angel will.
보란듯이 천사를 불러들이려 했지만
To triumph. It was beautiful.
That's not an angel, Blaine. That's confirmation bias.
You see this? I watched it obliterate.
Yeah. I saw one too, Viber, not in an act of damnation, but in an act of reunion. You so badly want your father to be right that
Doug, what's the status?
신도들은 군인들에게 사살된 뒤였죠.
Get down to the creek and find out what's going on.
라미는 리바이벌 데이를 일으킨 것이 M의 죽음이었다고 확신합니다.
See, in Islam, we believe that when a person dies, their soul is separated from their body. That light that you saw on revival night, that was M. What if somehow her death broke that barrier?
빛나는 그의 생명체는 부활자의 영혼이며 자신의 영혼을 만나야만 평온히 돌아갈 수 있다는 결론을 내렸죠.
You see, you witnessed something you can't explain.
하지만 블레인은 스스로의 믿음을 꺾지 않습니다.
The gates of hell are at my doorstep.
그의 신도들은
Over here! It took you long enough.
Sorry.
몰래 잠입하려던 데이나 일행을 붙잡았고
On her head, you son of a bitch.
Is that what you're gonna say?
블레인은 그들에게 M의 처형 장면을 보여주려 하지요.
Just like Christ.
M에게 특별한 능력이 있다며 설득을 시도했지만 통하지 않는데요.
Now she can prove it.
목숨이 위험해진 아버지를 본 M은 결박을 끊어냈고
You can do this.
I don't know why it's not working.
Take your sister and go.
Dad, stop. I think I just need to focus, okay?
I love you both.
You coward!
그때
Em, look.
블레인의 눈앞에서 기적을 선보인 뒤 정신을 잃습니다.
She dying?
Free me and let me save her.
Sorry. I can't take that risk.
자매는 때마침 도착한 군대 덕분에 몸을 피했고
This will help, but you have to get her to Moore Creek. The basement.
Here you go.
This is our back!
Send her with me downstream from the creek.
I'll deal with the general. She's my problem.
Dad, you need to be careful.
I'll head to Jake.
Go. Just go.
Where is she?
Let me explain.
큰 허탕을 친 케일은 주지사에게 문책을 받지만
So let me get this straight. You lose all the revivers, and in an effort to get them back, you mow down 12 civilians at a church.
There's something you need to see. I think it's Wanda Peterson's.
새로운 성과를 발견하자 빠르게 철수를 결정하지요.
It's just up this way to the mill.
데이나는 동생을 레스터에게 맡겨둔 채 쿠퍼를 데리러 갑니다.
Split a donut from Friedman's on the way.
You know it.
Just not talking like.
Thank you so much for looking after him. Thanks. So.
레스터는 근처에 군인들이 돌아다닌다며 그녀가 돌아오지 못하게 막는데요.
Well, call me as soon as the coast is clear.
Fun, Dana. Oh my goodness.
지니의 집에서 에런의 책과 강의 영상을 발견한 데이나.
Look after him anytime.
Where did you get this?
It's just a boring old book about water, you know, around here somewhere.
Can I see it?
Many adherents see the river as the earthly manifestation of the goddess Ganga.
And why do you have
Now,
this?
this
This is all
reverence has
Lester
led to
stuff.
Ritual.
Oh, Lester. Yeah. Let's pause.
Christ, Jeannie, give me that.
우연히 노신사의 맨몸을 목격하고
What, that? Oh.
동생을 죽인 범인이 와소 보안관서의 충실한 조력자였음을 깨닫게 되지요.
You killed me?
It was your professor.
레스터는 분노하는 M에게 그녀의 죽음과 무어크릭의 비밀을 알고 있다며 회유하는데요.
It's one of a few places on the earth where the membrane between oblivion and awareness is thinnest.
레스터의 연구에 사람의 목숨이 필요하자 연구 파트너였던 에런이 불륜 상대였던 M의 입을 막을 겸 타겟으로 골랐던 거죠.
But he was a sloppy man. When I called Blaine to tow it, discovery for himself and his wife. I did my best to clean it up. There was unfortunately some collateral damage. But I had to see this through, not just for me, but for the world.
What this was all for, so that you're...
Just me. To give the gift of eternal life.
And not just from me, but from Rose. People loved her and you stole that from her.
그가 M과 로제의 죽음으로 얻으려던 것은 무어크릭의 힘을 이용한 영생.
Rose was the first. It would allow us to open the door. And in a flash, but it was enough to let us know that we were right all those... No one would laugh at me now. Ex-lover. This was supposed to be a sacred ritual that demanded our respect. But so cocky and thought he could just scoop it up and...
그는 에런이 결과를 독차지하려 하자 망설임 없이 내쳤고
Forgive me.
부활이 시작된 순간을 홀로 목격했습니다.
Rose's death, your death, led to life. Because you are so very special.
I'm not special. Aaron and Blaine.
You see, in order to unlock the door to immortality, something in you, Martha Cypress, caused all of this right off. You started Revival Day. I couldn't let Blaine take this one. It's yours.
그는 M의 일부라며
We'll make you whole.
보라색 빛을 내는 영혼에게로 이끌었고
Let it fill the void inside of you. But you are special.
Mom?
사라졌던 엄마의 환영이 그녀를 부릅니다.
It'll be okay. This behind you.
M의 힘을 흡수하려는 레스터의 계략이었죠. 그는 총을 맞고도 움직일 정도로 강해졌지만
Something's
M의 손에 허무한 죽음을 맞이합니다.
finally got to have that adventure together.
짝을 만났던 M도 밝은 빛과 함께 사라져버립니다.
Where's Martha?
하지만 그녀가 사라진 후에도 부활자들은 남아있었습니다.
Certainly not the problem now. The fact that we had to keep hidden to no one should be made to feel unsafe or unwelcome.
잘못된 선택을 했던 웨이는
About as good as can be expected, I guess. I'm just glad it's you taking over.
책임을 지고 보안관직에서 물러났고
It's yours now. I'll see you down the road, huh?
데이나는 이제 동생의 죽음을 받아들이려 노력하는데
I miss her. I wish you hadn't told her to go to the bridge that night. You're her only friend. I did the math, and that sums up to you.
M에게 다리로 가보라고 했던 친구가 메들린이 아니었다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
O1, OI, forum. She was always chatting with them.
Hi, May.
데이나는 그 비밀 친구가 에런이라고 생각했지만
What do you know about his wife?
Nydia.
Turns out she wasn't assigned M's case. She asked for it.
메이는 다른 인물을 지목했는데요.
Weimer!
M의 상담사이자 에런의 아내였던 니시아. 사라진 줄 알았던 M이 그녀와 함께 지내는 모습을 마지막으로 리바이벌의 첫 번째 시즌은 막을 내립니다. 원작 코믹스를 바탕으로 제작된 사이파이의 10부작 드라마 리바이벌은 어느 날 갑자기 살아 돌아온 와소 주민들과 그 부활의 비밀을 쫓는 데이너와 M 자매의 이야기입니다. 호러와 판타지를 오가는 독특한 무드의 작품이었는데요. 주인공 데이나로 출연한 배우 멜라니 스코로파노의 전작 위노나 어프와 비슷한 느낌이라는 생각도 들었지만 그동안 발전한 CG와 조금 더 섬세해진 그녀의 연기력 덕분에 재미있게 볼 수 있었던 것 같네요. 부활을 불러냈던 최종 흑막 레스터가 죽음을 맞이했지만 진짜 부활의 비밀은 밝혀지지 않은 채 첫 번째 시즌이 종료되었는데요. 다음 시즌에서는 부활의 비밀이 밝혀질지 궁금해집니다. 이상 About Time이었습니다.
Certainly not the problem now.